What's up guys, today we got this white interior kit. A company has sent this out to us and we got a car with black interior that really needs a white interior like this car. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna install it, obviously, right? What else are we gonna do? But I think it's like 250 bucks on Amazon, and I feel like it's a pretty good deal, right? Tesla seats are like, if you wanna do the OEM, it's like 1,000 bucks, right? But let's say you messed up, right? Like this dude did. Then you're gonna need to get this kit from Amazon. Link's gonna be down below, and we're gonna basically see if it's gonna be ghetto or if it's actually gonna look good, all right? Because I don't like it to be ghetto, right? I'm not a ghetto person. My car is definitely not ghetto. So we're gonna figure this out. Stay tuned. I'm not really gonna show too much of the install because it's pretty straightforward and it's pretty boring to watch. Maybe throw some clips in here and there, but let's see if it's worth the money, all right? Stay tuned. I'm not gonna lie, guys, this install was actually really interesting. So the company had sent out all the stuff. They sent out really thorough instructions, but you know, we're really impatient over here on this channel. So we sort of just sent it. At the end of the day, they're just seat covers. So they really just covered the seats. How hard can it be, right? Well, it's a little involved, you know, especially for people that aren't super experienced with hands-on things with their car. For example, us installing this front seat cover was a little interesting because we had to manage to get straps through the seat, and the straps are a little delicate, so we might have broken a strap or two, but I really like the quality of these seat covers, right? I'd even argue that the quality is better than the Tesla seats themselves. You know, they feel super premium. And the install process, again, if you're a patient person, again, I'm just overlaying clips from the install, you can do a really great job. Now, there's certainly issues with wrinkles and yada, 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 but if you have a heat gun or even a steamer, I think is a little better, you can work out these wrinkles and maybe, again, a little bit of heat, but that's just the nature of a seat cover. It's not an actual seat. You can only make them so good. But just initially from the look, I think it's amazing, especially because the car is wrapped. And again, Tesla interior, its signature color is white. So with this install, you know, you just got to be patient. If you're patient, I think you can get a really decent product. Already running into some issues, guys. One of the straps down here, there's like two straps that I guess run under the length of the seat. One of them like broke and we didn't even pull on it that hard. So just attests to that China quality, but overall the seats feel pretty nice. You can see they're gonna need a form. It's a little puffy here, right? And there's like some wrinkles up here and stuff. But compared to the black, you know, it definitely gives the car a new vibe. I'm kind of liking it, but we'll see how it looks after we basically add everything to the car. All right, guys, so basically round two, we got this strap over here that broke again. We were much nicer this time around with the driver's seat, but it's like that strap that connects the front part of the seat to the back. We just pulled on it a little bit and it broke, which means that there's gonna be a little bit of slack, or there might be a little bit of slack on the front part of the seat. But if you guys are like handy and stuff, you guys could probably figure out a way to tuck this under. But so far, I mean, the material's nice. We'll just need to figure out how to get the wrinkles out and how to get this to sit flush. But otherwise, it's not bad for 250 bucks, honestly. Guys, so basically at the end of the day, these are white seat covers. Again, if you messed up and you didn't get the white seats and all of a sudden you want the white seats, you can't just do an interior swap. I mean, technically you could, but it's not really worth it. And these seat covers are honestly a great option. Now, the black seats are cool and all, but signature is the white seats, right? And so the install, again, it's very doable if you're a patient person and you can follow instructions. I honestly like how it looks, especially with a wrapped car, or just in general, I really like the white seats. They're perforated, they feel really good materials. We'll see how they last over time, but that's it for this video, guys. Links down below, check them out.